Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me in browser DCP-T420W, and now I'm going to show you how to copy documents using this printer. So if you want to copy something, first thing you should do is to open the scanner lid, and here you have the scanner glass. Now, as you can see here, we have this arrow. It means that here should be the right top corner of our document. For example, here I have a paper card with the text 887, as you can see. And now, if I wanna make a copy of this paper card, I should locate it in this way. So, right top corner should be located right here, as you can see. Close the lid and just click on copy button. You have two buttons. You have a mono button and color button. So if you click on this white button, you will create the mono copy, monochrome black and white copy. If you click green button, it will make colored copy. I don't want to make colored copy. I want to make just normal black and white. So click on black and white, wait a while, and as you can see, my document was successfully copied, and it looks good. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful for you, and bye. See you.